Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to delete missed calls on Messenger. First of all, you need to open your Messenger app. From here, refresh your feed. After that, tap on Menu on the top left corner and then tap on Settings on the top right. Here, if you scroll to the options, you'll notice there is no option available for calls or logs. So you should know that there is no such feature on Messenger. There is no specific place where you can find all the call logs. In order to see your call history or call log, you need to open up the chat where you want to check it. So I'll go back and open the chat. And here, as you can see, the call logs are right here in the chat. This way, you can only see the calls in the chat of the person you called. So in order to delete the message, tap and hold on the message and then tap on Remove. This way you need to remove each and every one of them one by one. Now go back. Here you'll get to see a Calls option on the bottom bar. Tap on Calls. From here, tap and hold on the call that you want to delete. And after that, just tap on Delete. And this way you can delete all the calls individually. There is no option to delete them all at once. So that is how to delete call history on Messenger.